You in your mind, oh mind, mind, oh mind. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure you.
300 participants from 12 top engineering colleges and 3 rounds of rigorous discussion and brainstorming. We were finally selected as top 3 teams who were invited to Mackenzie's Gurugram office for the round finale. And we were provided with sponsored flight and accommodation, and we got selected as second runner-up. For the selection process, we went through 3 rounds of PPT submissions and interviews, and then on the basis of that, top 3 teams from all over India were selected for the last round. So our case was about optimizing labor efficiency at a healthcare system. Basically, how do you manage staffing better, and how do you utilize employees effectively without burning them out and wasting resources. The case was more about HR tech and fintech. So it wasn't properly a software problem, and it was more of a, I will say, consulting plus finance plus tech problem, and the tech is used to solve that problem. And it was a very different experience for me, because instead of only developing the features which we require in our platform, we mainly focused on the requirements of the company. Mackenzie being a consulting company, they were more focused on the values, the data, the numbers, and from there they actually diverted it to building the software. So that was one experience which was a bit more unique to me, and it also made my mind more broad in terms of thinking when it comes to solving real world problems, and when it also comes to seeing the ground reality, ground level, and then from then we have to build it on the top of it, and then finally coming to the product building. So what happens in general software development is we mainly focus more on the architectural development or the design first, and apart from that, we have to focus more on the, for me, I'm talking about myself, I was focusing more on how will the architecture be and how will the design be, and then after that starting to build the features. But then from here I realized that it's not really about it's not only about the architecture diagram, it's more about finding the solution first and then solving the problem, instead of jumping to just build the solution which we think is fine. That is not exactly right always. So that was one thing which I realized after working on this case comp, and because the team at Mackenzie, they were thinking of a problem from very different angles which I never even considered, and talking about consulting and finance domains, so I studied about financial models for the first time, and I also went in making those PPTs when it comes to finance PPTs, and all the research and findings. So that was also a very new experience for me. So talking about my work, I mainly worked on making the software workforce management system. So it was about optimizing the labor efficiency, and talking about the automatic attendance or the payrolls, and a lot of other features. So yeah, that was one thing which I really enjoyed in this case comp, and it was a very fun experience overall. We went in a team, and we met new people from other colleges as well.
बोलो भाई क्या बात करनी है?
So we're coming back from I don't want to talk about
Finishing third.
अरे भाई अच्छे से बोलो.
top 3, okay?
Top 3 guys.
Yeah, top 3 in Mackenzie Tech Quest Challenge.
Amongst 24 teams.
Colleges.
Which was about fintech.
मतलब HR Tech. Yeah.
We got workforce management. We worked very hard for this comp.
Yeah, it reflects in the.
And we went through 3 stages, and we came here on a sponsored trip with sponsored vehicle cab. And
Sponsored trip.
And sponsored lunch.
Second sponsored trip है. खास करके flight वाली.
And sponsored.
Third for me.
Sponsored hotel and
Food and everything. For 4-star hotel.
जिसमें हमको रुकने नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
So yeah guys. I got it. Totally worth it guys. Apply next year.
क्यों publicity का इंडियन के फालतू?
वही sorry.
चलो.
Alright guys, you heard from them. Peace out.
Okay. Board speaker. Let's
Speaker,
go.
दिखा?
Signature sound.
Nice.
और
Damn.
सबसे बड़ा वाला मिला भाई इनको.
Do you want me to highlight the cost?
अच्छा.
It's good stuff. 3K.
Damn.
चलेगा.
It's very cute.
भाई
It's like study table के बगल में जो चीज रखी
क्या
है वैसा.
बस यही करेंगे फिर पढ़ाई वढ़ाई
हाँ.
नहीं
damn.
अच्छा है यार.
Yeah,
दिखते हैं
अच्छा
match.
भाई नजर आ रहा है।